All right, as you could see, I couldn't get that bottom left stove burner to turn on, so now I'm troubleshooting and showing you that all three other burners work. So I'm going to show you, this is a very common problem. This is a common fix that should pretty much fix this for you. So first thing you want to do is we want to remove the grate. Once you remove the grate, you want to just remove your burner cap. Once you remove that, you just want to check the burner. Just make sure there's no, food or debris or anything like that. As you see, that's not the cleanest, but for the most part, there shouldn't be anything, at least, that is prohibiting, it from working. So as you see there, that's the culprit. That's what you want to do. You want to make sure that is cleaned out. I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. Fairly simple, but overall, just make sure that's clean. Recommend doing this, on, all of them if you can, but for this one, just going to do it, on this particular one. So you want to get out a little paper clip, and it's literally that easy. So you just want to take, your paper clip, and you want to stick it in the little hole there. So I'm kind of showing you not the best angle, but there's a hole and it fits all the way through. And once you fit it through, you just want to kind of wiggle around and make sure you get any, loose debris or anything like that. And once you clear that out, that should pretty much, fix your problem. As I'm going to show you here, that's really all it takes, literally. It wasn't a whole lot of stuff, but it could be anything small that prohibits you from, prohibits, that burner from working. So I'm going to put it back on, put my cap back on, and boom, lights up just like that. So, that's all it takes is something small like that to prohibit that from happening. So once you do that, you see all four burners are working how they should be. You just want to put the, stove grate back on. I don't really recommend it with it turned on like that, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.